Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how traders test their ideas before putting real money on the line, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you how to backtest a trading strategy on TradingView, and we're making it even easier by harnessing the power of AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, paste, and run a simple moving average strategy, letting you see how an idea would have performed with real historical data. Let's dive right into it. First, before we do anything on TradingView itself, let's enlist a little help from AI. Open up ChatGPT. This is where the magic starts. In the chat box, simply type in, "Give me a simple moving average strategy code for TradingView to backtest a trading strategy with strategy entry and strategy close." Essentially, you're just politely asking ChatGPT to generate the Pine script code you'll need. Press enter, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT will serve up the script, already tailored for TradingView's backtesting system. It's really handy because coding from scratch can be daunting, especially if you're new to Pine script, and with AI you can skip straight to experimenting and learning. Once you see the code, look for either the copy code button or just manually highlight and copy all of it. Don't rush, take a moment to make sure you've got the entire script, from the very top to the very bottom, so nothing's left out. It's a bit like following a recipe. If you miss an ingredient, your cake won't rise. Now head back over to TradingView and find the Pine editor at the bottom of your screen. Click on Create New to start a fresh script. You'll notice there's some default code in the editor. Just go ahead and delete that so you have a clean workspace. Then right-click or hit Ctrl+V to paste the code you just copied from ChatGPT. It's okay if this part feels a bit technical. Think of it as pasting a recipe into your Notes app so you don't lose it. Next, look for the Add to Chart button, which runs the code and applies your strategy to the chart you're viewing. Most of the time, if the code came from AI, it should work immediately and you'll see your strategy's signals and results show up on the chart. But sometimes, you might encounter an error. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Coding can be a bit temperamental. If you do see an error message pop up at the bottom, just copy the error text, go back to ChatGPT, and paste it in with a quick description like, "I got this error, can you help?" ChatGPT will usually troubleshoot the issue and revise the code for you. All you have to do is copy the new version, head back to TradingView, delete the old code, and paste in the updated one. Hit Add to Chart again, and most issues should be resolved. Sometimes you might need to repeat this process once or twice. Don't get discouraged. Each try gets you closer to success. That's really all there is to it. You've now taken an idea from AI, put it into TradingView, and seen exactly how it would have performed over past price data. Whether you're brand new to backtesting or just want to speed up your process with AI, this workflow can save you tons of time and open up new possibilities for your trading strategies. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and tap that like button, drop a comment below if you get stuck or have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.